Habai keren bikin orang patai kubor Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad kongkal sangma ulong ba Kynhun Menteri gila Mynjur halon ke Tarik ke bala terwa ban Pynlong yak election MDC. Ndre mentakin absya banyo kejing Mynjur na ulat kejelau CH Vijaya Shankar. Ulong basisin bu ulat ulat kejing Mynjur ke Tarik ban Pynlong yak election ke sarkar jela kan sayok ban penapat ba. Konrad kongkal sangma ulong bayam mentahi on 4 la ban patai pang ke Tarik. Namar ban haban pa asya ulat kejela banyo kejing Mynjur batang hadian kania ansala ban penapat ba ya ke Tarik ban Pynlong ya ke election MDC.
We have also today decided that on the schedule for the conduct of the elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jente Hills Autonomous District Council, and these elections, the entire schedule of the elections has been finalized by the or approved by the cabinet. But of course, as you're aware, all of this has to be approved by the governor, and therefore, once it is approved by the governor, only then can we officially announce it. But the cabinet has now approved and proposed it for further approval of the honorable governor of our state. So we await that, and once we get the approval from the honorable governor, we will be officially announcing and informing the exact dates and the schedule of the council elections.